Hi everybody. So today I will be talking about IMC campaigns, and the IMC campaign that I decided to use today was Old Spice's campaign, "Smell Like a Man." Many of you may be wondering, what is an IMC campaign? An IMC campaign is an approach to achieving the objectives of a marketing campaign through a well-coordinated use of different promotional methods that are intended to reinforce each other. So it uses basically methods of promotion to make the business become more out there and have more people come towards them as an intended audience. So the campaign uses the strategies interact, which is they have more events set up to the point where everybody can come out and then figure out what their products are about. Engage, where they use the feedback from other customers to make their product even better than it was before. Embrace and influence, which is the way that they have their business set up, is they have some people who buy, and then those people who buy make other people buy because they influence them to get the products that they want because they put out such a good word for it. Old Spice's campaign history starts all the way back in the 1970s. Old Spice started with the tagline "Old Spice, the Mask of a Man," and was seen with a man on the surfboard in its advertisement. But because of this, Old Spice had gained fame when they released the 2010 ad campaign, and this campaign featured the famous actor and basketball player Isaiah Mustafa, and was titled "The Man Your Man Could Smell Like." I actually have a video right here. If it'll open, I don't know if it'll play the sound, but you'll get the point of what I'm talking about, more or less. Okay, that's that. So that's the campaign history, and then we go to Old Spice. Do you smell like a man? Probably not, because you don't use Old Spice. But Old Spice uses this as an additional campaign, which helps it targets audience. And the target audience mostly includes, in this day and age, males 18 to 34, and then females who are willing to buy for their significant other or their friend. Because they figure that since if females run into this, they have females who actually are more prone to buying toiletries than males. And it's actually a fact proving that, and I will get to that later on in the slides. And here's some images, ads, and coupons of basically everything. The coupon don't work, so don't even try to use it. And we have all these other pictures of famous actors and everything. In conclusion, Old Spice uses this campaign to promote positivity and also uplift most people who don't feel as confident as they should with the way they smell or look. Even though the campaign primarily targets males, it goes deeper into the reason of why it targets males. So back to what I was saying about females mostly buying toiletries and stuff like that. It says research has shown that women purchase nearly 70% of all male toiletry products. By using appeals, they are both male and female friendly. The new campaign saw an impressive response, allowing the video to go viral almost immediately. Because of this video going viral immediately, it was more people looking into the ads and more females looking into the ads because they buy 70% of all male toiletries also. So since they buy like 70% of the male toiletries, it's more prone to having females buy it and males buy it. But then they also have females who also buy it for their significant other, for their boyfriend, for a friend, just to make it be more out there and more prone to everything else. And their campaign has helped them become more than just a brand but a friend. Mainly a friend because of how they uplift you by basically saying, okay, do you smell like a man? If not, then buy Old Spice. But it's not really like uplifting, but it's uplifting to an extent. Like it'll promote you to want to buy it, but it wouldn't knock you down. Really, as I can say. So I have a question for you guys. Do you think that the use of these campaigning strategies will eventually get old? Also, another question I have is which IMC strategy is the best to use when it comes to attracting customers and why? All right, thank you guys for your feedback. And I really appreciate you guys sitting here and listening to my recording and actually understanding my topic. And see you guys later.